Good day, Karaber. Araw ng Sunday, hindi ako nagbukas pero may customer tayong pumunta sa bahay kasi magpagawa ng kanyang dalawang pitman arm support at suspension support, dalawa at dalawa ring shock mounting support. So ayan yung pitman arm. Masyadong masikip yung pinapit ko. Tagal-tagal kasi ayan yung product. Ayan yung coil spring support. At ito yung suspension. Ayan, thank you.